plug in the oven, the unit will flash and a beep will sound to indicate it is on. Insert the crumb tray below the bottom heating element and slot the air fryer basket into the cooking slots. Add the chips to the basket and close the door. Turn the control dial to cycle through the preset functions to select fries. To select fries, press the time button and turn the control dial to set the time to 20 minutes. Press the temp darkness button and turn the control dial to set the temperature at 200 degrees Celsius. Once settings have been set, press the control dial to start cooking. For the best results, shake the chips at the midway point. The timer will pause when the door is open. Once cooking is complete, the unit will beep several times, indicating that the time has elapsed. During cooking, the time and temperature can be adjusted at any time by tapping the respective button and turning the control dial. To cancel the current setting, press the reset button. This function is for grilling meats at high heats. The cast iron plate must be used for this function. The temperature for this setting is fixed at 380 degrees Celsius. The time can be adjusted using the time button and control dial. Place the cast iron plate on top of the rack. Press the grill button to select the grilling option. Turn the control dial to set the time to 4 minutes. The temperature is set and cannot be changed for this function. Press the control dial. The auto preheat will illuminate and the preheat time displayed. Once preheat time has elapsed, using heat protective gloves, open the unit and place the lamb chops on the cast iron plate and close the unit door. The timer will start automatically. For the best results, flip the lamb chops at the midway point. The unit will beep several times, indicating the time has elapsed. Carefully remove the lamb chops using the tongs. This function is for grilling steaks, and the cast iron plate must be used for this function. The temperature for this setting is fixed at 410 degrees Celsius, but the time can be adjusted using the time button and control dial. The oven has preset times for when cooking steak at approximately 2 centimeters thick. Please refer to our steak cooking chart in the recipe booklet to see our guidelines. These times may vary based on fat content, thickness, and initial temperature. For the best results, always allow steaks to come up to room temperature before cooking. Place the cast iron plate on top of the rack. Press the steak button to select the steak option. This will flash to indicate it has been selected. Turn the control dial to set the time to 3 minutes. The temperature is set and cannot be changed for this function. Press the control dial to confirm the setting. The display will flash the preheat time. Once the preheat time has elapsed, carefully open the oven and place the steak in the center of the cast iron plate using the tongs provided. Close the door and resume cooking. The timer will start automatically. For the best cooking results, turn the steak over halfway through cooking. Once flipped over safely, close the door to resume cooking. The unit will beep several times, indicating that the time has elapsed. Carefully remove the steak using the tongs. For the best results, leave the steak to rest for at least 10 minutes before eating. This function is for freshly made pizzas only. The pizza stone must be used for this function. The temperature for this setting is programmed at 360 degrees Celsius. To adjust the time, use the timer button and control dial. Place the pizza stone on top of the oven rack. Press Fresh Pizza to select the pizza option. Turn the control dial to set the time to 4 minutes 30 to 5 minutes, depending on preference. Press the control dial to confirm the setting. Auto preheat will illuminate, and the preheat time will be displayed. Once the preheat time has elapsed, open the oven and carefully place the pizza onto the pizza stone using the pizza paddle provided. Close the door to resume cooking. The timer will start automatically. The unit will beep several times, indicating the time has elapsed. Carefully remove the pizza using the pizza paddle. Before attempting any cleaning or maintenance, switch off and unplug the unit from the mains power supply and allow it to fully cool. Wipe the main unit with a soft, damp cloth and dry thoroughly. Clean the crumb tray, air fryer basket, oven rack, pizza paddle, cast iron plate and tongs in warm soapy water. Then rinse and dry thoroughly. Do not soak the cast iron plate. Do not wash the stone plate or immerse in water. Simply wipe with a lightly damp cloth. For storage purposes, clip the wire into the wire clips at the back of the unit. For moving the unit, please use the carry handles on the side of the unit and ensure that there are no accessories left inside. The unit can then be stored upright.